from the company called Make Changes. Model TLUBLZZS 9-foot KK. It's an umbrella, comes in from 7 foot to 12 feet or more. Check online for the makes and models you are after. And it's a fast opening umbrella, easy to set up. You need to have a base, great for picnic tables, go to the beaches and more. And we're going to show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packaged in here. They are protected by some foam inside. As we pull out, we have the instructions laid on top. Go over at your leisure, put in a plastic bag and more. This is a tan umbrella with the pole and all. So as we take it on out, please be careful. The pole color is black. You could simply place it into your table over here that has a center hole, or come over to the side over here, and we're going to place into an umbrella metal stand. Grab the pole, align, and adjust, and screw down. It's a metal pole with black, so this way the umbrella will not come out or fall out and hold up straight. It's got a clip system that you simply put the top in and ready to go. So here's the umbrella top. We're gonna look for the pole base over here, slide it on over, rotate it on, and press down, and listen for the click. Snapped into place, and stay down below with the counterclockwise, clockwise turn. Listen for the rattling. With the counterclockwise to close, clockwise to open up, you're going to hear some gear movement, and quickly opens up like so. They make umbrellas in oval and round. This one that was sent is a round. There's a clip on top, so when you hit the maximum opening, it gets real strong, and that's the furthest it can go. So if you're looking for an umbrella for your backyard to barbecue, to sit by the table, this umbrella may be something that you are looking for. So what we're going to do is take the umbrella, place it into the table to show you what it looks like. Bring in the stand. This is a stand that you need to have for these umbrellas. They're nice and heavy and secure. Easy to slip in, easy to lock into place. Your umbrella. So this way you can sit outside in a nice, cool breeze, warm day underneath your umbrella. When all done, simply just grab the umbrella's handle, hold, and close. Don't get caught underneath the umbrella. You could put lights underneath the umbrella and more. Close it on down, look for the string, tie it on up. The only thing that this umbrella does not have is a cover to store away. Enjoy your umbrella, and thank you for your time. Enjoy your summer fun. Your umbrella.